up, YouTube? Back with another legendary video. Happy Christmas Eve to all of y'all. Today we'll be putting on my bypass valve adapter. We're time to get some noise to it. I got 4 more miles coming into you all. This is one of them. Yeah, early Christmas gift for myself. 4 more to go. You heard me? So we about to be straight, and I'm gonna show y'all what that looks like. Okay. You see what I did?
Yeah, put a bow on it.
Yes, sir. Early Christmas gift. That's why I wanted to have it on for tomorrow.
Okay.
I told myself, I said I wanted to give me myself something for Christmas.
Okay.
I was like, yeah. Wow. The one box.
With a big old box. With a little bitty box like this. They could have just shipped that little bitty box.
Yeah. Let's see.
Great big box with a little bitty.
There we go. I'm gonna show you all what it looks like when it's finished.
Y'all did good in run on me. Made them fellas look bad. Start doing things.
Yes, sir. Oh, they jamming.
Huh?
I said they jamming.
Yeah.
Okay. Valdosta's up in Georgia, isn't it?
Yeah, South Georgia.
Okay.
On the Florida line down there. Alright, where'd you go to? Get my flashlight.
And it says it only goes in that one way. So just twist it. Oh, you got it perfect the first time. So it doesn't use the old screws at all?
They're too short. I don't have to drive it yet. He didn't let you drive yet? Oh man, you gotta let your brother drive. You gotta show him the ropes since you done got used to it.
Yes, sir. I think he could get it easy if he want to.
Yeah. It's not.
He taught me.
It's not as hard as it looks.
Yes, sir.
It just looks hard until you get used to it. Once you get used to it, it's like I said, it's like it comes second nature to you. He looked in the rearview mirror and saw that truck behind him. He was trying to get out of the way. I said, don't worry about them folks behind you. There's another lane. They can get it. They can get over there and go around. Don't worry about them.
KLC.
Make sure she's tight enough. You don't want to strip them, so.
Out of a 1 out of 10 scale, what was the difficulty on that?
It wouldn't.
Yes, sir.
It would have been more difficult if I'd have took all them hoses out of the way. It would have went on faster.
Yes, sir.
But that's what makes it difficult. You know, you have to look at it and see what's going to be the easiest route for you.
Yes, sir.
And it was easier for me to just leave all them other hoses on there and just go do what I got to do.